Hi, Carl. Indeed, these are final reads for September on University of Michigan sentiment and inflation numbers, and expectations were for some improvement. The reality is each one deteriorated on growth. 55.1 from 55.4 is the headline number. It's still the weakest going back to May. If we look at the current conditions, 60.4 versus the mid-month read of 61.2, also lower, but it doesn't change the comp back to May. And if we look at expectations, from 51.8 mid-month to 51.7, still the weakest since May as well. And on the inflation front, very similar, but in a positive way. We're expecting 4.8 on the one-year inflation. 4.8 was last look. The mid-month, it comes in 4.7. And the 5 to 10-year inflation, instead of 3.9 mid-month, it moves to 3.7. 3.7 would be comping to 3.5 in February. So the growth with respect to what's associated with when you look at Michigan sentiment, well, much of it's supposed to reflect the equity market. It's downgraded just a bit from the last 2 weeks. But if you look at the inflation indicators, they also moderated a bit. The market hasn't moved a lot on them, kind of a wash. And how do we summarize? Well, right now, 418 on a 10-year is up about a basis point on the session, but it settled at 413 last week, so it's down 5. And if you look at a 2-year, it settled at 257 last week. It's down almost 10 basis points on the week. It is virtually unchanged on the day. We did have good income and spending, and the PCE numbers rather sticky. Sarah, back to you.
Okay, Rick, thank you very much.